Hi everyone, my name is Faiz the founder of Faiz Space. And what we do is we provide experiential STEM programs through Rotary workshops to bring STEM learning to students, especially in middle schools in the county of San Mateo. What we like about this program is we like to engage children to learn outside of the box, and we would like to apply for the grant from Echo 360 because we believe your platform and your software will enable us to track the classroom learning, the impact, and also the surveys after the classroom learnings so that we can monitor and develop a continuation for them as a pipeline to go into the workforce in terms of science, technology, and also space exploration. So we look forward to a collaboration with Echo 360 because we believe that this partnership aligns with Faiz Space, and what we'll be able to deliver to the students and to middle school will be something that's exciting, something that is futuristic, something that is exploratory, and something that will benefit us, the community, the future, and also our children. Thank you for your consideration.